I've created 5 tutorials on how to use a Google site or create a Google site. So after you're done watching these tutorials, you'll be able to create a page starting using a template. And then after you've created that page, you will then watch another tutorial on how to edit the pages within the template that you've already chosen, as well as adding a photo. Then the third tutorial you will be able to do is we will go back and create a brand new site using a blank template. So you're starting with a blank canvas. The fourth site or tutorial will allow you to learn how to add pages within a blank template, because it's a little different than it is if you have a basic template that's already been given to you. And video 4 also shows you how to add sub pages within a page. And then the last thing is the sharing, making it so people can either just view it, who gets to see it in general, as well as if you want to add other people to have rights to edit themselves. So those are the 5 things you will learn after watching my tutorial playlist.